But there's other causes as well. So, for example, glucose metabolism is disrupted in the brains of Alzheimer's disease. You need glucose. Your neurons need glucose. And so, essentially, your brain isn't able to make energy correctly without the glucose getting into your brain. And so that's another sort of metabolic underlying cause of Alzheimer's disease where you're essentially, it's thought to be where you're eating a lot of refined carbohydrates, refined sugars, and you're not exercising, and essentially you're disrupting the glucose metabolism in the brain as well as the whole body, right? So the brain and body are connected. But there's also genetic causes as well. And, some people have genes that can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease because they're not able to clear amyloid as well, because they're not able to repair damage as well. So the blood-brain barrier, which is really important for filtering out toxic things from getting into the brain, it starts to break down. And that's one of the, I would say, early signs of Alzheimer's disease is that breakdown of the blood-brain barrier. And that happens in people that have a genetic risk factor called ApoE4. You may have heard of this, but this is probably one of the biggest genetic risk factors for Alzheimer's disease. About 25% of the population has one copy of this gene. That increases the risk of Alzheimer's disease by twofold.